Today I'm going to share how you can earn $5 over and over, and this is by simply searching the web. So what we'll cover in this video is I'll show you how you can get started with this for free. This is available worldwide because I'm going to share with you 3 different websites that you can use. Now you do not need any special skills for this, and it's incredibly easy to set up, and ultimately you're going to get paid for something that you're already doing, and it is literally as simple as searching on the internet. So by the end of this video you will know exactly how to get started with this method. I'll then show you how you can actually earn some more money, and then we'll go over some different reviews. But you can see here we've got Microsoft and we've got Audible on here. The websites that I'm going to be sharing with you, they've partnered with these 2 different companies here, and they've also partnered with lots of other reputable companies. And the 3 websites I'm going to share with you, I'll share my results from 2 of those different websites and how much I've earned on there. And at the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started with this, where to go to sign up, and basically how to make money for simply searching on the internet. So let's jump into this and I'll walk you through this really simple method to get paid for something you're already doing. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to today's video. So in today's video we're going to go over this really simple method to make money online by simply searching the internet. So I'm going to cover 3 different websites and we'll jump into the first one. So the first one we're looking at today is Microsoft. Now believe it or not, Microsoft will actually pay you for using their search engine Bing, and I'm basically trying to do this to get more people using their search engine and trying to overpower Google. So how this works is you come over to Microsoft and you create a free account on here, and then you will get paid every time you're searching using the Bing search engine. Now if I scroll down here you can see, so this is the home page. Come here, sign up, and it just literally walks through a simple sign up process. But then you can download the app as well, so if you don't have a laptop, this is available on tablets and mobile phones. And then what happens is every time you're searching the web, they will give you points, and then all of your points add up, and then you can exchange those points for money, and there's different things that you can change that for, and I'll show you that in a second. So if I scroll down here, you've got all these different ways that you can earn from basically downloading this search engine. Now there's 2 things to note on here, and I'll highlight this at the bottom for you here. So you've got level 1 members. So when you first sign up, you are a level 1 member, and you can see here you can earn 5 points a day, 150 points a month, and this is when you're searching using Bing on Microsoft Edge, and this is on PC and mobile. After you've been on the platform for a while, you can then advance to what is level 2 members, and you can see here you can earn up to 20 points a day, 600 points a month when searching Bing on the internet. So this is the sign up page here, and it walks you through different ways that you can earn, because look, you can earn from searching on the web. You can also, if you're shopping on the web, you can earn on Xbox, and you can earn on the go. So you can go through and have a look at all of these, and then you've got the redeem tab up here, so you can go through and have a look at these different ways that you can redeem your points. Now when I was doing some research on this earlier this morning, I found this article here for you. This is over on the workfromhomejourney.com, Microsoft Rewards, is it worth it? And this is a pretty in-depth article, but what I'll do is I'll drop a link to this below, and feel free to go and check this out. It goes over absolutely everything to do with Microsoft Rewards. But it shows you here, roughly when you first start out, this is how many points you can earn per month. So in a monetary value, you can expect to earn $9.15 a month. And this is made up by 3 different points. So the first one is max out the paid searches every single day. You can also earn additional points for completing daily offers. And then you can also earn 150 points per month for actively browsing with Microsoft Edge. So this is how many points you can get rewarded to you, and then in terms of an actual monetary value, it's $9.15. Now if I scroll down here, it tells you where you can spend all of the different points. So you can see on here you can redeem your points for Xbox and Windows gift cards. There's also the Microsoft Store gift cards, and then you've got sweepstakes. And if you scroll down here, there's also third-party things like Amazon and Starbucks on a promotional basis. With Microsoft, they do not pay via PayPal. So I'll drop a link to this below. It goes over the minimum threshold for you. It goes over some complaints on here, and then it goes over the pros, and it also goes over the cons. and then final opinion. So look, I'll drop a link to this below. Feel free to go ahead and check this out. This is quite, like I say, it's quite an in-depth article, but it'll tell you absolutely everything you need to know about earning money from searching using Microsoft here. So that is the first website. The next website I've got to share with you is this one here, and it's called Swagbooks. Now predominantly Swagbooks, it's like a big survey site. So once you sign up on the left hand side, all of these here you can earn. They call them Swagbooks, so you can see once you sign up and you go in here, you've got lots of different ways that you can earn. You can earn via shopping, you can earn by watching videos, answering surveys, discover, but you've also got search. You can also earn from playing games as well. But basically how this works is you've got two options. If you click on search here, it opens up this tab and it goes to this search bar here, and basically you type in whatever you're looking for on the internet. So let's just type in not taught at school, hit enter, and then it'll basically display all of the listings for you inside of here. So you see here, not taught at school. So if I click on here, it opens up into my blog, and then I've earned some Swagbooks for this. So this is a bit of a longer and complicated way that you'd earn from searching on the internet. But what you can actually do is, if I go back over here and I go back over here, you can actually install the Chrome plugin on here. So if I go back on here, I'll show you this, and this is the quickest way to do this. Instead of having to come to Swagbooks and searching on here and then earning for doing it this way, instead of having to come to the Swagbooks website, just go and get this. So come to search, and here, see here where it says learn more, if you click on here, it will open up into the Chrome store. Now on here, what you can do is you add this to Chrome, and it will go up here with all of your other extensions. And then instead of having to go to Swagbooks and log in to start searching, you simply click on the extension up here and you search on here, and then you will earn Swagbooks for simply searching on the internet. Now I used to have this installed and use the search engine a lot. I've recently moved over to a new crypto search tab that I'm using, and I covered that a couple of days on the channel. But Swagbooks search, it's just another simple way to basically get paid for searching the internet. You can see it's got a lot of users, 394 reviews. You can see it's got an average rating of 4.2 out of 5. So that is Swagbooks. Let me just come out of there and go back over here. So to sign up with this, you can sign up via Facebook or your normal email, etc. on here. But you can see up here, this is my account. See my account. This is how many Swagbooks I've currently got in my account. If I click on redeem, so if I wanted to redeem this here, I've probably got about £30 worth of points in here, and you can redeem your Swagbooks. You can go through features and gift cards like this on here. You've got different rewards, so you've got Amazon, PayPal. There's also, if you scroll down to the bottom, or is it if I scroll along here, they've got MasterCard. You can see, you can just go through and have a look at all the different alternative gift cards that are available on here. There's hundreds on here. Now obviously I'm in the UK, so this may look a bit different depending on where you are in the world, but you've got plenty of options with this, and this is a great website to use, not just for searching. If you like watching videos, then you can earn points for watching videos on here. Now you're not going to earn loads, but it all adds up. But in terms of searching the internet, sign up to Swagbooks, come here on the left hand side, scroll down and hit on search, and then you can either search from here directly, or you can just go over to the Chrome store, add the extension, it will go up here for you, and then you'll earn points whenever you're searching basically on the internet. So that is the second website. It's called Swagbooks. The last website I'm going to share with you is this one here. Now again, I'm in the UK, so you can see this is inboxpounds.co.uk. It'll be different depending on where you are. So I know over in the US and Canada, they offer a $5 sign-up bonus. So you sign up and you get $5. Over in the UK, we only get a £1 bonus. But how this works, you can see on here, you can get rewarded for taking surveys, playing games, and searching the web. And this website here works in a similar way to Swagbooks. So you can get an extension for this, or you can simply log into Inbox Pounds and search inside of here, as we covered over on Swagbooks, and then you earn points. And it works in exactly the same way. All of the points add up, and then you get paid. Now, Inbox Pounds have been around for a number of years. If you click on here, see, these are the different companies that they've worked with. We've got Audible, Ladbrokes Bingo, Harris Pool, and you can reach out to these over on all of these different sites on here. And very similar to Swagbooks, you can also earn from doing surveys, games, offers. But as you can see right here at the top, you can get paid for simply searching the web. So that is today's video. That's how you can earn over $5 over and over by simply searching the web, and you're already searching the web. So from these three, the one I would recommend, probably my favorite, is this one here, which is Swagbucks, because you can just install the Chrome extension up here and it's just really easy to use. So thank you for watching. I'll drop links to everything I've mentioned below. If you have any questions, let me know. But as always, if you found it useful, give the video a like for me. And if you like really simple, really easy ways to earn online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and I'll always update you whenever I've uploaded a new video. So thanks again. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.